Welcome back to my channel. My name is Madyson. If you're new, I'd love for you to join the community. I do all things health, wellness, vlogs, lifestyle, all the good stuff. Today's video is a vlog, so you can come around with me and we're gonna deep clean. Aside from watching Vampire Diaries, I'm trying to take this time to do some things that need to get done. I mentioned that in my quarantine video. I will link it somewhere. Today I am deep cleaning. You will see me deep cleaning my makeup. I have so much makeup that needed to be thrown away. One thing I also will say before we get into this video is that there's energy that is held on to things that you keep. If you watch Marie Kondo, I'm pretty sure that's how you say her name, she has like a cleaning Netflix series. She talks about how things hold energy, and if it's dear to you, keep it. If it's not, throw it away. So when we get rid of things, we feel freer, don't we? I mean, even without knowing this knowledge, you feel good. You feel good that you just went through your closet and got rid of stuff that you had since middle school. Everyone knows that feeling. You know, you just feel lighter. You just feel like a bunch of baggage was literally just lifted off your shoulders. It's a real thing. If you have a bracelet or something that you're holding on that your ex-best friend gave you in the past, but you're hold on because, you know, the memories, whatever, that holds energy. If you're holding on to stuff from your ex, whatever it is, it holds energy. So just be aware of that while you are deep cleaning, spring cleaning with me. Yeah, so I'm sorry about the camera setting changes. I'm getting really washed out and like really pale looking. Sorry, but I haven't seen much of the sun, so that might be a factor. This pile is all the lipsticks I'm getting rid of right now. This was totally full with just old lipsticks, and this is the pile that I'm keeping for now. There's 18 lipsticks here that I'm throwing away. A lot of them are just really old. Didn't really realize that like some could get mold on them, and there's definitely a few that look like there's some mold or something on them. Not cute. A lot of them I don't even know why I kept. They were empty or like broken or just like had a weird texture to them. There is a few that like I was thinking about keeping, but I don't really wear a whole lot of lipsticks now. I wear a lot of the Jeffree Star, and I have a lot of similar colors, so I don't need them anyways. The one that pains me the most is my Unicorn Blood Jeffree Star. This one, I don't know, I always had an issue with it, but it's just like always been really weird textured. It never went on my lips smooth, and I have the liquid lip, so I'm just gonna throw it away. I have 3 other lipsticks of Jeffree Star that I am keeping. There's one that's kind of a weird texture, but I'm gonna keep it for the time being. I read that lipsticks are only good for like 2 years or something. Mascara and foundations, mascara's like 4 months or something, and foundation's like 12 months maybe. So there's a lot that I'm gonna be getting rid of. The thing is, you saw the pile of lipsticks that I'm throwing away. Look, there's a whole other drawer full of lipsticks, and I didn't really realize I had this issue. I didn't realize I had a lipstick problem. So this is a mess. This will be taken care of very soon, but this is all the makeup I'm getting rid of. You just focus. All the makeup, and there's so many layers. There's so many layers to this. I mean, you dig a little bit deeper, there's more underneath here. This is one big pile, including the makeup that I personally kept on me on my vanity, and then through these. And these have been significantly gone through. This palette drawer is now filled. The palettes are one thing that I just can't get rid of. I've gotten rid of, like, obviously a few like eyeshadow palettes that weren't real significant to me. But like my name brand nice ones, I'm gonna try to keep on to some things. Like there's some blushes that I have that I'm gonna give a second chance, you know. But I have gotten rid of a significant amount, obviously. You can see here. This is a lot, okay? I took a very long time collecting most of these matte lipsticks from Maybelline. I love these lipsticks. I'm throwing away most of them because most of them are old and they just don't look good. I spent so long trying to collect all these, but now I'm throwing them away. But you know, not everything lasts forever, guys. Most foundations I have are really old and dried out, like this Double Wear Estee Lauder, which I loved this foundation. It's dried out. Most blushes, like everything's just, it's used, but it feels good that I'm getting rid of them. My drawers are so much nicer, just so much nicer and just so much cleaner. Like foundations, that's not that much, and some of these still probably need to be thrown away, but they're like really expensive and I didn't buy them not that long ago, so I'm gonna try to hang on to them, but they'll probably be thrown away too. But that whole thing was filled, so I'm really proud of myself. Like I said, some of this stuff is probably from middle school, definitely high school, so some of this is really old and it's well overdue to get them out of my life. Everything just looks and feels so good. I can't stop looking at my vanity because it looks so much nicer. The sad part is, even as much as I've went through, I still have a lot. I know I'm throwing a lot away, but I'm also donating some stuff. I have some clothes in the trunk of my car that need to be donated when shelters open back up. But I hope this video inspired you guys to deep clean and get rid of some stuff that just needs to leave your life, you know? But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.